Let's say UnitedHealth adding 100 points to the Dow today after reporting strong earnings. Bertha Coombs is back with the details. Bertha.
Sarah, UnitedHealth beating on both the top and the bottom line, posting profits of $4.52 a share on $72.3 billion. Medical costs were lower than expected, with COVID surge hospitalizations being offset by fewer elective procedures. The company raised its full-year guidance, expecting the trend to continue in this quarter, and forecast lower COVID headwinds next year. Strong performance on its Optum service side also helping send share to an all-time high today. But CEO Andrew Whitty missing today's earnings call, recovering from an emergency kidney stone procedure. Guys, they say he's going to be fine.
Well, we certainly hope so.
We wish him well.
We wish him well, for sure. And either way, Mike, very nice move in the name, up 4% or so.
Yeah, absolutely. And it's in a group also that's been really unusually weak, and we haven't spoken much about it. The healthcare provider stocks had a good 10% pullback, and UNH has held up better, but it also it is coming out of that hole that really culminated in early October. It's unclear if this is, a lot of times they move on policy stuff or whatever it might be, but kind of a representative group of expectations being lowered into earnings, or at least price-implied expectations being lowered into earnings. So you rebuild the possibility for upside surprise in this case.
I'm curious your thoughts, Steph, on the healthcare sector more broadly. Walgreens, I don't know if you want to put that in healthcare staples, but having a big day today. The sector has really lagged. It's down over the last month. It's flat for the month. Working today. Where are you?
I'm kind of market weight on it, but I have to tell you, I am overweight UnitedHealth. And in fact, it ties Zoetis as my two largest healthcare positions, which I love both of them. And I think that the group overall, though, did very, very well throughout the summer in the defensive months, right? And so now that we're coming out of being in defensive mode, now we're going more cyclical, more economically sensitive. We have seasonally strong last quarter of the year. Into the end of the year, you want to have a little bit more beta, if you will. And so I think that's why they're lagging in the last month, but still some really great stories within healthcare. Again, I mean, UnitedHealthcare was just flawless. This company, all they do is beat and raise. And sometimes the stock goes down and you buy that dip, and sometimes it goes up like today, and I'm glad to see it. But you can even buy it up here because they have delivered so consistently.